up, GioVentures, and welcome to the GioVentures kitchen. I'll show you two fun, tasty treats to make on Easter. And this is the quarantine edition. This first one is the Peep bird nest. And this is what you'll need. Green shredded wafers, peeps, robin eggs, and graham crackers. Secondly, we're also going to make these cool marshmallow bunnies, or Easter bunnies. You can use these cool gummy worms or Easter bunny ears. And this is what you're going to need. Toothpicks, treat sticks, candy eyes, edible markers, marshmallows, and gummy worms. Guys, first we're going to make the Easter Peep bird nest. First, you have to get graham crackers inside a Ziploc bag and start crushing them with the Geo Smash. So now let's pour it inside the bowl. Ooh. Let me get a piece so that let's leave it out there so that we can put the pea on. Whoa, okay, I think that's good. No shaking. Step 2 is to add this green shredded wafers, also known as the grass. Grass. There we go. Now let's add our yellow peep. Now our eggs. He's gonna have yellow eggs because he's yellow. And then throw some here, and here, and then baby eggs. Baby eggs are gonna be so small. That's why. So here is the nest, and this is called the Peep bird nest. Hey guys, what do you think of my bird nest? Doesn't it look pretty tasty? Second treat, marshmallow Easter bunnies. And this is what it looks like when you're done. But now, let's get it. Well, let's make it is what I'm trying to say. So, first let's grab a marshmallow. Then you get one of these sticks, put them through, and once you feel the stick, you stop there. Then you can get any marker of the edible ones, not a regular one because then that would taste disgusting and you can't. So make sure to use edible ones. Then draw a face. Here we go, and cover this one. Then you have to go this way. Then you have to put these ears and stick them into the top. Okay, now let's put on the eyes. Let me pour some icing. Okay, there we go. Let's drip. Now screw this up. Now you can put on the eyes. So now you have to get some icing, get the eye, then put on the eye and stick it on. This one has is a little one because he has ears. Craziness. I didn't realize that it was little, so I was like, why not be a crazy one? So I had an idea that when I noticed. Sorry. There. Yeah. Oh my god. Didn't have a long eye. Wow. Crazy. And that is it. And here it is. My crazy old bunny. And this is treat number 2. So guys, if you don't have bunny ears, then you guys can use, if you can use gummy worms. But if you don't have that also, you can just find something that you can use. We have gummy worms, so that's what we're going to use to demonstrate. So, and also, it's all about being creative. It doesn't matter if you come out bad. Actually, there is no bad, because it's just about creative stuff. So let's get to this next one here. And also, you're actually going to need toothpicks to put these on. You have to cut these in half also. And let's get to it. So, same thing as the first one. Put on the marshmallow. Wait until you feel the stick. And now, let's see. I forgot. Give a little mouth. There we go. One else here. Now let's get the eyes. Let's put on the eyes. On the bottom. Yeah. Get it. There we go. Put this down. Put on the eye. And now stick it on. Looks pretty good, huh? Looking good so far. Now, let's add a big eye. Like, something like that. I'm trying to do the fake what I'm trying to do. Now add the frosting to this one. Now stick it on. Okay, here is the eyes. Looking pretty funny. I think now we have to put on these. Yeah. Now pick a side to put the toothpick in. I like to do it on both and stick it on. You can do it however you want. You can stick one to the toothpick, then put it on. You can put the toothpick inside. It's your choice. Sorry. And now let's stick this one in. Now the other one. This one has right up. You're like, like what's happening? And finished. I'm sure. Yes. We're finished. This one is like, what's happening? And also you're like, So you're like, what's happening? And it's like this. So I'm going to demonstrate what I am doing. So that is the one with the gummy one. And remember, if you don't have any of those things, you can just get creative. Because that's what cooking is all about, getting creative. Hey guys, what do you think about these tasty treats? Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, hit the subscribe button. See ya, and have a happy Easter. Peace out. Did you just see an Easter bunny run by?